Alright, now making my way to the metro station to bring me to the Prague main train station. I'm lugging this luggage it's going for, and wow, I think the chances of the luggage wheel spoiling is very high. And now I'm going down this flight of steps. There's an escalator, 150 meters. Yeah, I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to take the escalator, and it's early in the morning, there's no traffic except a police car. So the time now is about 7:40. Just reached the metro station. So we are taking this. This looks quiet, man. Just wondering why everyone here is looking at this platform here. Yeah, okay, now I realize because some of the trains, the platform number is not out yet. So now everyone is staring at this platform like as if the 4D number is going to come out. Mine is RJ75 840, and yeah, I'm also staring at the board as if the 4D number will come out. While I'm waiting for the platform, there is some exhibition here at the Prague train station. Apparently the Prague is very proud of their train station. This is like a mock train station display. So real. Goodness. This whole exhibition is actually quite large because see, this is the front of the station, and then after that they actually built the entire thing. Check this out, so huge, my goodness. And this is the actual train station. My goodness. Check this thing, right? I mean, wow, the Czech people really love their train station. Alright, after the platform is out, so RJ75 and the 840 platform is 4S. Yes, and S is here to my left. Alright, so this is my platform, 840. Coming out from the escalator. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Good morning, everyone. I am now at Prague train station. Yes, after a very short journey, I took the metro this morning from our hotel to the Prague train station, and it was actually very easy. But then again, you know, if something interesting were to happen, the metro station don't really have escalator going downwards. They only have escalator going upwards. So I have to carry my luggage. But anyway, luckily my luggage is not very heavy. Yeah, now I'm at Prague train station, and then my train is departing at 8:40, and I've successfully navigated myself to the correct platform, and now I'm sitting to make these intro videos and waiting to get on the train. I just got in my train safely, and for this train ride I'm doing the first class. So the train is leaving. The train is moving. Wow. Exactly at 8:40, which is good. So I should reach Vienna at 12:50 p.m. So later I'm going to try to walk around the train to explore the train a bit, so that you can follow me on my train journey to Vienna. Restaurant, this is. There's less people here.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
There's a menu over here. And also, I think there's this cabin that's just very strong. And I think that basically finished this restaurant. Okay, so that was a That was a quick run through for the train restaurant. Yeah, I was a little bit nervous because it was like so quiet. We have reached the second stop. Right, the landscape has turned from snowy to sunny. I think we are reaching Vienna station pretty soon. I think the time now it's 12:80. I should be reaching Vienna at about 12:50. So I'm getting ready. I am doing a quick toilet situation update. Just now I came to do a quick one, but unfortunately I think my transmitter went out of bed. So now I'm doing it again. So anyway, yeah. So this is the size of the toilet at the OBB train. So there's a sink here that you can press for water, and then you can also press for air to dry your hand. And also there's a place for you to press for to dispense soap. Yeah, so there are 2 toilet rolls, toilet, and a place for you to change the diaper for your child. Yeah, and of course there's also a full-length mirror, which is like pretty good. So yeah, okay, so there is an open and closed door, and then you can also lock the door after you come in for your privacy. So yeah, so basically the situation at the OBB train, it's pretty good. First class. All right. First class cabin situation. Pretty spacious. Yes. And this is my seat. Yes. We have reached the train station.
Příští stanice, next stop, nächster Halt, Wien Hauptbahnhof.
We have reached Vienna Bahnhof. Whoa, nice one. Alright, out finally. Let me go and find an escalator. How come everywhere it's steps? There is an escalator. Wow, the smell of Vienna is so different. Smells like my type of food. Alright, out of the station. Alright, so this is my hotel. Novotel Vienna. Just reached my room, 1306. I am in. Oh yes. Oh, quick room tour. Wow, the bed is really nice, and the couch. Oh, view of the train station. Nice view. That's a working desk. TV is pretty large, clean. Cups here with a safe here, mini bar. Finally, there's an actual wardrobe here. Vienna is good. Check out the toilet, man. So we have a shower, basin, and toilet basically separated. Everything looks clean. 2 towel. I think they missed the body lotion. Alright, I'm all changed. I'm going to grab some lunch around the hotel first before I go and visit some of the places of interest in Vienna. So in Vienna, I'll be staying only for 1 day, but I'm going to try to visit as many places as I can. Primarily, I think I'm going to try to visit the Belvedere garden, and then I'm going to try to visit one of the cathedral, and then also the Mozart museum. Also, if I have time, I'll try to rush to try to check out the Central Cafe as well as a Cafe Satchel for their cakes. So without further ado, let's go! Alright, check out this restaurant, quite fanciful. This is the name of the restaurant, which I don't want to pronounce. The place looks very nice, isn't it? Looks like a bar, right? I have selected their house burger. I actually wanted to get a salad, but then decided to go with fries because the fries looks good in the Google review. And I have also selected the steel lemonade, rosemary and black currant. I'm by the window seat, and everything looks nice. Alright, my drink is here. It didn't come in a cup, it come in a bottle. Okay, let me try. Interesting taste. Alright, my burger is here. Check this out, man. Wow. Presentation 5 out of 5. Let's take a look at the burger. So this is their house burger. Oh, the bun feels soft. Guys, I don't need. Okay, I think I'm going to start the burger first before the burger gets soft. Oh, the bun is soft, man. The bun is soft. The beef patty is soft and tender. Well grilled. Tastes good. Good choice. Alright. So the meal was pretty good, and now I am going to try to get a 24-hour ticket and then visit as much things as I can. Alright, I just took the train and I have reached the entrance of the Belvedere garden. Okay, so it seems like these are for the tickets to the museum. So I'm not visiting a museum. I'm going to just walk around the garden. Vienna is a lot colder and windy compared to Prague. Anyway, the place seems very big. Part of the pond is frozen. I think this is inside the palace. Alright. Okay, I can understand why people think that this is nice. Okay, so I think I've come to the end of the Belvedere garden. Good morning, everyone. This is the view from my hotel room in Vienna. Look, the streets is quiet. And I'm just staying next to the train station. Alright, this is the area where I stay. It's very nice. Actually, it's a very nice hotel. Yeah, right. I think I'm the first one to check out the breakfast situation. Nice one. There's cereal. They have some fruits, and they have pastry. Oh, yes. Those are and they have bread, ham, and what is this? Looks like sausages, smoked salmon, good bread, eggs, beans, hash brown, sausages, bacon, sausages, tea, cereal, more cereal. Not bad. Oh, this looks good. Fruits, and they have bacon cheese, apple, pear, kiwi. It's excellent. Oh. So this dressing. All right. Good morning, everyone. This is the second day, basically, on my stay in Vienna. All right, so let's see what I have this morning. So not a lot, because I felt I was rushing. This is a multi juice. This is a chocolate. This is my coffee. So let's do a quick talk about my situation in Vienna. Wow. So after visiting the garden yesterday, I was very cold, so I thought I want to come back to take a rest. And the rest turns out to be the entire night of sleep, all the way to this morning. Technically, I still woke up at about 12 midnight to have a shower. After that, I went back to sleep, all the way to 6 a.m. in the morning. So yesterday, I was only able to do one site visit, which is the Belvedere garden. Fortunately, my checkout timing in the hotel is 12 p.m. So later, I'm going to try to request for late checkout at 1 p.m. And hopefully, I can cover the other two locations, which is the Cathedral and the Mozart Museum. And hopefully, I can also try the cakes at the Cafe Central as well as the Cafe Central. So that is my plan for the day. After that, I'll be checking out the hotel and I'll be taking a train to Budapest. Alright, I've made myself a smoked salmon piece of bread. Alright, good morning. I've just finished my breakfast and now I'm all dressed up. Down jacket, flee inside, pants, Uniqlo heat tag, camera, side pouch, sling bag,
that contains my second lens. And yes, I'm ready to explore Vienna. All right, out in Vienna. This morning is not as cold as yesterday. I think maybe because there isn't much wind blowing. So yesterday it was extremely cold, I think because of the strong wind. But this morning actually feels okay. All right, just got a lot of these Stefan plaques up the escalator. And immediately you can see the cathedral. Good morning. Whole place is pretty empty. This is the Stefan Cathedral. I think it's great to come in the morning when there's not a lot of people. So this is Vienna in the morning. So serene and quiet. Oh wow. Okay, let me go in to visit some of the free places in the cathedral. That was a good experience, partly attending the Mass at the cathedral. Now let me go and try to find the Mozart Apartment Museum. I reached the Mozart Apartment Museum. Hello. Alright. Okay, the museum actually opens at 10. Alright, so I actually got a shot of myself in front of the Mozart Apartment Museum. The time now it's 9:30, and since the museum is opening at 10, I think I will go and visit the Central Cafe first before I come back over here. Okay, making my way to Cafe Central.
This is the Cafe Central situation. So the time is about 9:45 and there's already a queue outside.
Alright, finally. Hopefully the wait is worth the while. Alright. For one?
One?
Yep.
My colleague, please.
Okay, thank you.
Three.
Oh.
Here we go, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Alright, I am just settled down into Cafe Central, and yeah, got a nice seat, nice background, and menu. Okay, let's see. I'm going to just grab one of the cakes which I find interesting, and a coffee. Alright, check out the variety of cakes, man. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Alright, I think I figured out what I want to order. So I'm just going to order one of this. Yeah. And one Amadeus double espresso coffee with Mozart liquor. Alright. So my coffee is here. Looks fancy. Okay. Let me see how this tastes like. Oh, yes. I forgot. I have not taken a photo yet. Thank you. Alright, all the photos are taken. The cake is actually quite cold, which is good, I think. the top has some raspberry, so it's a bit soury, combined with the chocolate sweet. So the taste is excellent. Let me try the chocolate that comes with the coffee. It's nice. Alright, just done with the Central Cafe. Okay, cake was not bad. Coffee was okay. Yeah, so now I'm going back to the Mozart Apartment Museum to do a quick checkout of the place. We are taking one ride to the next metro station at Stephanplatz. I'm out of the metro station. I'm at the Cathedral site now, heading to the Mozart Apartment Museum. Here's the Mozart Museum. Yes.
Just in a photo.
The ticket. And there's an audio guide apparently. Some Mozart table. Some Mozart score. Mozart makes music and forgets to eat. Look at the manuscript. Basically, they can present you with a manuscript and you have no idea what's being written.
From the Bohemian estates for an opera for the coronation of Leopold II as king. For over a year in this apartment, Mozart recognized the talent of this 7-year-old Wunderkind from Bratislava. That's how Nepomuk's father, also a musician, put it. Most probably in this room. It has its own entrance. It was also a connecting room, so it had more than one function. It was probably quite noisy with a... Leopold's letters written in this apartment give some indications of what the day-to-day life was like. This morning, the apartment was thus also on the circuit of the international musicians network. There were daily callers as well, mostly students. Message he left, in English, for his English student, Thomas Atwood.
Alright, I just finished the visit to the Mozart Apartment Museum. So that was a very interesting, short and quick visit, but yeah, it is quite interesting. Yeah, so now I'm heading back to the hotel and pack up and ready to catch the train to Budapest. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back to my hotel again, but now this time is to check out from the hotel. Yeah, so I'm all ready. After this, I'm gonna catch a train from Vienna to Budapest. So for Vienna trip, I'll wrap it up here and I'll see you again in Budapest. Thank you for watching.